Hello everyone, I got this Delonghi and the problem here, I'll show you what it does. So customer complained that this is the steam button is flashing. So what that means is that it's basically somebody either stopped it in the mid cycle of descaling, or there is some issue with the machine inside. So what you have to do, you have to press this for 5-10 seconds, and then the other buttons will flash. No, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't. Let's try again. Let's try to release some of the pressure. Okay, I'll try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there you go, see? So when those two flashes, what you have to do, it's pretty much you put it through a descale, and now you have to put this lever down. So now it has to finish the descale, and if the pump, I think we have a problem with the pump, you see. So it tried to finish the descale, but the pump doesn't let the water pump from the tank to the steam wand. It's pumping a little bit, but not enough, and now it's back to the same thing. So see, oh, let's see. Maybe now it's gonna be okay. Let's see. Maybe we should put something under here. See, gives the error code again. Let's see what it's doing. I'm just gonna wait another minute or so, but if it's not gonna engage, I will recommend the customer replacing the pump. It's just located in the middle of the machine, just in the center, and then it should be all good to go after, because I suspect that because the pump is weak, it doesn't want to go through the whole descale cycle, and it gives you the flashing button. So here's my video for today. If you enjoyed it, you can like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.